Applying for an India medical visa? You may have heard about an invitation letter, but what exactly is it, and why might you need one? First, an important distinction. The invitation letter is not your medical visa. It is a supporting document that may be required as part of your medical travel application. Depending on your situation and the application requirements, a hospital or medical provider in India may provide an invitation or supporting letter for the patient. The letter can help document your planned treatment in India and provide relevant details about the patient, the medical provider, and the purpose of the visit. If a family member or attendant is traveling with the patient, additional documentation may apply to the attendant's visa application as well. However, don't assume that every applicant will have exactly the same requirements. Always check the current requirements for your specific application. Before you travel, make sure you understand the documents you may need, including your medical visa and supporting letter. On MedicalTourism.ai, you can explore the medical visa process and access the visa letter application to get started with your medical travel planning. Visit MedicalTourism.ai and check your requirements before you travel.